Did you know cherry wood is often called nature's masterpiece? Discover the secrets behind its beauty and why it's a favorite among artisans. What makes cherry wood so special? Join us as we explore its journey from delicate blossoms to stunning furniture that tells a story. Welcome to our exploration of one of the most beloved woods in the crafting world, cherry wood. Known for its rich color, fine grain, and incredible durability, cherry wood has captivated artisans and furniture makers for centuries. But what makes this wood so special? In this journey, we'll uncover the secrets behind cherry wood's unique properties, its timeless appeal, and why it deserves a prominent place in your next woodworking project. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out, understanding the allure of cherry wood can elevate your creations to new heights. Let's dive in. The secret of cherry wood craft art. Cherry wood is a cherished material in the crafting and woodworking community, known for its unique characteristics and aesthetic appeal. Here's an exploration of the secrets that make cherry wood a standout choice for craft art. 1. Rich color and grain. Natural beauty. Cherry wood starts with a light pinkish hue that deepens to a rich reddish-brown over time, adding warmth and elegance to any piece. Distinctive grain. The fine, straight grain pattern of cherry wood enhances its visual appeal, making each piece unique and desirable. 2. Workability. Ease of crafting. Cherry wood is relatively easy to work with, allowing artisans to shape, carve, and finish it with precision. Smooth finish. It takes stains and finishes exceptionally well, providing a beautiful, polished look that highlights its natural beauty. 3. Durability. Long-lasting. Cherry is a hardwood that is both strong and stable, making it ideal for furniture and decorative items that stand the test of time. Resistance to warping. Its stability reduces the risk of warping or cracking, ensuring the longevity of crafted pieces. 4. Aging gracefully. Patina development. Over time, cherry wood develops a rich patina, enhancing its allure and character. This aging process is highly valued in fine woodworking. Timeless appeal. As cherry wood matures, it becomes even more beautiful, making it a preferred choice for heirloom pieces. 5. Versatility. Diverse applications. Cherry wood is used in a variety of crafts, from furniture and cabinetry to small decorative items and kitchenware. Compatibility. Its warm tones and fine grain make it compatible with various styles, whether traditional or contemporary. 6. Sustainability. Eco-friendly choice. When sourced responsibly, cherry wood is a sustainable option, allowing artisans to create beautiful pieces while being mindful of the environment. Cherry wood is more than just a material. It's a canvas for creativity and craftsmanship. Its unique combination of beauty, durability, and versatility makes it a favorite among artisans. Whether you're creating functional furniture or artistic decor, understanding the secrets of cherry wood can elevate your craft to new heights, allowing you to produce pieces that are not only stunning but also enduring. Embrace the allure of cherry wood and let it inspire your next project. Creating cherry wood art crafts for profit can be a rewarding venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Market analysis. Identify what types of cherry wood crafts are popular in your area or online. Look for trends and potential customers. Target audience. Define who your ideal customers are, e.g., home decorators, gift buyers, or collectors. 2. Choose your craft. Decide on the types of crafts you want to create. Options include decorative items, wall art, sculptures, or wooden signs. Functional pieces, cutting boards, serving trays, or furniture. Small gifts, coasters, keychains, or photo frames. 3. Gather materials and tools. Materials. Source high-quality cherry wood, considering reclaimed wood for unique projects. Tool. Invest in essential woodworking tools, such as saws, table saw, bandsaw, sanding tools, drills, Finishing supplies, stains, sealants. 4. Design your crafts. Sketch your ideas. Create detailed sketches or digital designs of your intended crafts. Create prototypes. Build a few prototypes to test your designs and refine your techniques. 5. Crafting process. Cutting, measure, and cut the cherry wood according to your designs. Shaping, sand and shape the wood, ensuring smooth edges and surfaces. Assembly. Assemble your craft using glue, nails, or screws as necessary. Finishing. Apply stains, oils, or sealants to enhance the wood's natural beauty and protect it. 6. Pricing your crafts. Cost calculation. Calculate the total cost of materials, tools, and labor. Profit margin. Set a reasonable profit margin, typically 20–50% markup. 7. Marketing and selling. Online platforms. Use platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon Handmade to reach a wider audience. Local markets. Participate in craft fairs, farmers markets, or local shops to showcase your work. Social media. Promote your crafts on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to attract customers. 8. Customer engagement. Quality customer service. Provide excellent service to encourage repeat business. Feedback and improvement. Gather customer feedback to improve your products and designs. 9. Expand your offerings. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line or offering custom orders to meet customer needs. By following these steps, you can create beautiful cherry wood art crafts that not only showcase your creativity, but also generate profit. Stay committed to quality and customer satisfaction to build a successful craft business. Here are some creative ideas for cherry wood art craft designs that can inspire your projects. 1. Wall art. Wooden geometric shapes. Create a modern wall art piece using various geometric shapes cut from cherry wood, stained or left natural. Nature-inspired panels. Carve intricate designs of trees, leaves, or animals into thin panels for a nature-themed display. 2. Functional art. Cutting boards. Design unique, handcrafted cutting boards with personalized engravings or inlays of contrasting wood. Serving trays. Create elegant serving trays with handles, featuring decorative borders or carved designs. 3. Decorative sculptures. Abstract sculptures. Craft abstract shapes or forms that can serve as centerpieces or decorative accents on shelves. Figurines. Carve small animals or human figures from cherry wood to create charming decorative pieces. 4. Home decor items. Picture frames. Design elegant picture frames with ornate carvings or simple, modern lines to showcase photos. Candle holders. Create unique candle holders in various styles, simple pillars, intricate designs, or themed shapes. 5. Jewelry and accessories. Wooden jewelry. Craft earrings, necklaces, or bracelets from cherry wood, possibly incorporating other materials like resin or metal. Keychains. Design personalized keychains shaped from cherry wood, engraved with names or meaningful symbols. 6. Furniture pieces. Small tables. Create side tables with intricate designs, combining functionality with artistic flair. Shelves. Design wall-mounted shelves with carved brackets or artistic supports for a unique display. 7. Toys and games. Wooden puzzles. Create educational puzzles from cherry wood, featuring fun shapes or themes for children. Building blocks. Design a set of building blocks with different shapes and sizes for kids to enjoy. 8. Seasonal decor. Holiday ornaments. Craft cherry wood ornaments for holidays, featuring intricate cutouts or engravings. Seasonal signs. Create decorative signs for different seasons or holidays, using playful fonts and designs. These cherry wood art craft designs can serve as inspiration for your projects. Each piece not only showcases the beauty of cherry wood, but also allows for creativity and personalization, making them appealing to a wide range of customers. Happy crafting! Thank you for joining us on this exploration of cherry wood craft art. We've uncovered the unique qualities that make cherry wood a cherished choice for artisans, from its stunning grain and rich color to its durability and workability. Whether you're inspired to create functional pieces or artistic decor, cherry wood offers endless possibilities for creativity and craftsmanship. As you embark on your own cherry wood projects, remember that each piece you create not only reflects your skill but also tells a story of nature's beauty. Embrace the secrets of cherry wood and let your imagination flow. We can't wait to see what you craft next. Don't forget to share your creations and experiences with us. Until next time, happy crafting!